Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today I have brought 10 amazing kitchen cooking tools from Amazon that are very necessary for your kitchen and will help you save time, so don't drag the video. Watch the whole video, and if you like the video, subscribe and click the bell icon to get more new videos. So guys, let's start the video. Oil sprayer. Lifetime assurance. We stand behind the quality of our olive oil dispenser bottle. If you're unsatisfied or face any issues, contact us anytime. We offer lifetime support to ensure you're fully satisfied with this essential kitchen essential. Dual dispensing. This 2-in-1 oil dispenser and oil sprayer allows you to spray or pour with ease. It's a versatile oil dispenser bottle spray and pour solution, keeping your kitchen. Egg cooker. Kawu egg cooker, Kawu egg boiler, priority launch egg cooker. 4 egg on egg rack every time, plus 2 egg in egg bowl every time. Kawu egg cookers will put various sizes. As we all know, on the market from small egg cooker models to large 14 egg capacity ones. Consider almost daily typical needs. Kawu egg cooker is also a yogurt maker, your great choice for making nutritious breakfast anytime and anywhere. 2025 onion holder, smart design. Onion holder sharp stitches prevent slippage and cut evenly for greater safety. And pin joints are sturdy, not easy to fall off. Widely used. The onion holder can also be used as a meat tenderizer. Long steel needle penetrates deeply into the meat to improve its taste. It is also easy to clean after use. Light in weight, everyone can use it for cooking. Claim your time. The onion holder for slicing. Save a lot of time for slicing or chopping onions. No more nasty cuts or using nails to hold onion. No more uneven slices or losing tomato juice on cutting boards. Pastry brush. Upgraded one-piece design and stainless steel core technology. Owing to one-piece design, the silicone bristles will not break or shed in your food, unlike other bristle brushes. No bacteria will be stuck in the silicone basting brush and keep your food safe. The handle built with internal steel core results in a solid durability to our basting oil brush. It is also long enough to get a firm grip, never break and rust. Premium silicone, heat-resistant. Bread slicer. Unique creative upgrade. This bread slicer with bread box adopts pull-out cutting board removable design. When using it, you need to pull out the cutting board close to the cutting board, which is convenient to pull out the cutting board, and the cutting board can bring the sliced bread into the bread box smoothly, avoiding touching the bread by hand and saving the time, and the practical design lets you enjoy a seamless bread-making experience. Multifunctional bread box. In order to better use with our pull-out bread slicer, we have a 9-liter large-capacity bread box for you. It is made of transparent premium makings. Egg slicer. FOD slicer egg slicer is very suitable for cutting hard-boiled eggs, strawberry, banana, mushroom, butter, cheese, into neat slices. Just put the food into the slicer and push it down. You will get neat slices every time. Sharp stainless steel wire. The egg cutter wires is made of stainless steel, and it is very sharp, which allows you to quickly slice eggs and soft food. Egg cutter wires are durable and can be used for several years. Ergonomic design egg slicer, made of high-quality aluminum alloy for the base and handle. Ergonomic design makes it easier to use. You just need to lower the food in the card slot, and then press it gently to get neat slices. Easy to clean. The base of the egg cutter uses a hollow design. Simply rinse with water to easily remove food scraps and get a brand new egg cutter. Can be safely used in the dishwasher. Garlic press. Heavy-duty construction. The heavy-duty construction and ergonomic design ensure you can easily mince unpeeled garlic cloves or peeled ginger root quickly and with minimal effort. Simply press the handles and delicious paste will ooze out, leaving the peel inside. Professional-grade garlic press. Stainless steel, rust-proof garlic press can mince and crush garlic with restaurant quality and ease. This will be the best tool in your kitchen. Add color to your kitchen. This crusher is available with silver, black, red, or multicolored handles. The baskets were not painted to ensure that our garlic press is 100% safe to use when you're preparing food. Variety of uses. This garlic press perfectly minces garlic so your veggie, meat, sauce, or salad dressing will be so delicious your guests will think you had a professional chef. Magnetic shelf. Magnetic function. This capable of supporting up to 15 kilograms of weight. The magnetic suction feature allows the shelf to be easily attached to any metal surface, such as a refrigerator or a metal shelf, without the need for any additional support. This makes it ideal for use in small kitchens or other spaces where storage is limited. They can easily hold a variety of items, including fruits, vegetables, utensils, and other kitchen accessories, without bending or breaking. Multi-purpose. The best part about this magnetic shelf is its versatility. Use it to store fruits and vegetables in the kitchen, helping keep the food fresh. Additionally, it can be used in the office break room to organize coffee pods, snacks, and sodas. Say goodbye to cluttered spaces and hello to organized living with this magnetic shelf. Food kitchen scale. Supports 5 units, Oz/LB, Oz/FLAS/G/ML, tare function, and includes 2 AAA batteries for hassle-free operation. Accurately weighs up to 11 pounds per 5 kilograms with 1G increments. The small and sleek scale is a perfect fit for most kitchens, occupying little space and easily storable in cabinets. Just wipe down the 304 food-grade stainless steel surfaces to keep clean. Backlit LCD screen with large fonts for easy reading. Spoon holder. Versatility. This ceramic spoon holder measures 6.1 into 5 inches, enough to easily hold spoons, spatulas, coffee spoons, etc. The spoon holder is also very useful for organizing your accessories, watches, and other delicate small items. Unique look. The reactive glaze with swirling pattern creates an elegant look.